Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam games that fail file validation every time. When a Steam game repeatedly fails file validation, it usually means Steam keeps detecting missing, corrupted, or modified files every time it checks the installation. This can happen because of damaged download cache data, incomplete updates, interrupted installations, or files that are not being properly replaced. Fortunately, Steam provides several tools that can refresh the download system and repair the game installation. The first thing to try is clearing Steam's download cache. Open Steam and click on the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to the Download section. Scroll down and locate Clear Download Cache. Click this option and confirm the action when prompted. Steam will restart and clear temporary download files and cache data that may have become corrupted. Because Steam relies on this cache to manage game downloads and updates, a damaged cache can sometimes cause game files to fail validation repeatedly. After Steam restarts, sign back into your account if necessary and check whether the issue has been resolved. If the problem still continues, the next step is to verify the integrity of the game files. Go to your library and locate the game that repeatedly fails validation. Right-click the game and select Properties. Then open the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare the installed files on your computer with the official files stored on Steam servers. Any files that are missing, corrupted, or different from the original versions will automatically be downloaded again and replaced. Allow the verification process to complete fully before launching the game. This process ensures that your game installation matches the correct version expected by Steam. It is important to understand that not every validation failure means your entire game installation is broken. Common causes include corrupted download cache, incomplete game updates, damaged or missing game files, interrupted installations, files modified by third-party software, such as mods or antivirus programs. A common beginner mistake is repeatedly clicking Verify Integrity of Game Files without addressing the underlying issue. If Steam's cache or installation data is corrupted, the same validation errors may continue to appear. Another common mistake is immediately uninstalling the game before trying Steam's built-in repair tools, which can often fix the problem much faster. To summarize, fixing Steam games that fail file validation every time begins by opening Steam, Settings, Downloads, and selecting Clear Download Cache. If the issue persists, go to Library, right-click the affected game, open Properties, Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. These steps refresh Steam's download data and repair corrupted or missing game files that may be causing repeated validation failures. And that's how to fix Steam games that fail file validation every time. By clearing the download cache and verifying the integrity of the game files, you can resolve many common causes of repeated validation errors and restore your games to a healthy working state. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.